Before you begin, make sure you familiarize yourself with all the parts and fully read the instructions. There are two different mounting supports for this organizer. The center support, which has the main upright attached to the center of the base plate, and the corner support. That upright is attached in the corner. The corner support is stamped with either the letter L or R, signifying which unit you are installing. If you order the left-hand model and the corner support is stamped with an R, or you ordered a right-hand unit and the corner support is stamped with an L, please stop and contact customer service. There are also two different support arms. The center support arm has a slight bend and is a little longer. It is stamped with the size of the unit you ordered. The corner support arm has a 90-degree bend and is shorter, and it is also stamped with the unit size. Slide a telescopic support extension into the top of the center support and secure with two number 10 machine screws. Only hand tighten. These extensions will need to be adjusted later in the install. Place the center support on its side and attach one of the center support arms in the lower mounting position. Tighten securely with 4 number 10 machine screws. The upper support arm has 3 different mounting positions that will set the height of the top shelf when installed. Determine what mounting location is best for your install and secure the upper support arm with 4 number 10 machine screws. Place this assembly to the side for later installation. Placing the corner support arm on its side, securely fasten one of the corner support arms in the lower mounting position with 4 number 10 machine screws. Then place the other corner support arm in the same mounting location as on the other assembly and securely fasten with 4 number 10 machine screws. Shown here is another way the telescopic support extension can be installed. Remember to only hand tighten these screws. Using the chart provided in the instructions in step 4, determine the mounting distance and mark the bottom of your cabinet accordingly. Place the center support assembly in its mounting position and secure with 10 number 6 flathead wood screws. Slide the telescopic support extension up tight under the countertop and secure by tightening the 2 machine screws at the top of the support. With 4 number 6 pan head wood screws, secure the telescopic extension to the top of the cabinet. Align the corner support assembly on the marks on the blind side of the cabinet opening. Using 10 number 6 by 3/4 flathead wood screws, firmly secure the assembly in place. Then slide the extension up to the underside of the countertop and tighten the 2 machine screws at the top of the support. Install 4 number 6 panhead wood screws to secure the extension. Position the support arms outside the cabinet and install the bottom tray pivots into the ends of each arm. Repeat for the upper shelf. Cycle shelves to make sure you have proper clearances.